In a rare move at the state capitol today, Democratic and Republican state senators unveiled a set of proposed laws to address fentanyl and retail theft. On the fentanyl side, those bills include efforts to expand access to rehab, fentanyl testing strips, and enhancing criminal penalties for those who traffic and illegally use the drug xylazine, also known as Tranq. On the retail theft side, the group unveiled a set of bills that would enhance penalties against so-called professional retail thieves. They also proposed a law that would require third-party sellers to be certified before selling goods at marketplaces or online. But there are also several other bills to tackle these issues that senators did not highlight today, including efforts to change Proposition 47, which loosens drug and theft laws. Senate Pro Tem Mike McGuire does not support changing Prop 47.
None of these theft bills, none of the theft bills would mean revisions to Prop 47, even though strategic enhancements would be implemented on specific retail and community-based crimes. The Safer California plan advances an approach that we desperately need. That is a balanced approach, and that's what the majority of Californians want.
Another proposal not mentioned, one that would require courts to formally notify fentanyl dealers they could face murder charges. McGuire said talks are ongoing on that bill.